Hi, Jessica from Cocoon here, and I want to talk to you about the Carotene Glow. It's our newest product, and it's a new type of product too. So, the idea of a booster came to me. I knew that people really want to do their own mixing of oils and kind of like customize a routine in the morning. It's fun and it feels like it makes an experience. It's not just, just putting on whatever. It's actually taking some time and thinking about your skin needs and putting some customization into your routine and kind of performing like an alchemy kind of thing in your bathroom. That's the word that comes to mind, is alchemy. Because when we're dealing with plants, it tends to go there. So the booster idea is for you to mix it into your moisturizers, whether that's your sunscreen, whether it's your daily day moisturizer, whether it's your night moisturizer, whether it's your oil, anything that's oil based and to moisturize, you can add this because this is also an oil. But it's actually not just oil, because when we think of oils, we think of the cold pressed oils from seeds. These are actually CO2s. CO2s are a different extraction method, and it's more of a solvent extraction, but it's not solvent as in like a petrochemical solvent. It's actually just the gas, CO2. And they're able to extract the oils or the essential oils when it comes to more of the like leaves and plants and stuff. But when you're dealing with lipids, it comes from the seeds. So the reason why this extraction is so good is it really does capture all of the interesting components that don't come out in cold press or essential oils. So you get my favorite thing, which is carotenes. You get all the carotenes in this type of extraction. So for instance, if you do like a cold press rosehip oil, you get a nice red color, like an orangey color. If you get a rosehip CO2, you're gonna get like the deepest red, which tells you carotenes. And why I'm obsessed with carotenes? Carotenes are the pigments in flowers and fruits that protect these delicate, the delicate petals and fruits. This is their protection from the sun. So how does that translate on your skin? It also is very protective. It's not a sunscreen, but it's protective. And it's also very antioxidant, lots of antioxidant action. Not to mention, it does, in this type of concentration, it gives you a warm glow. It actually changes the tone of your skin. So if you're really pale, you're going to get a nice warmth to you, and it's going to look really healthy and radiant and beautiful. I've seen a lot of great performance with this product. I started using it probably a year ago, and that's how I kind of test market. I start on myself and I see like, am I going to go back to this? Do I love this? And sure enough, I just became so into it. Like every single day I had to have it. It just puts a new, and it's a new level of moisturizing. It smells beautiful because we also put the CO2 of frankincense. So frankincense has a beautiful smell on it as an essential oil, but in the CO2, it's much more earthy and less. There's kind of a citrus note in the essential oil that the frankincense doesn't have. This just smells really earthy and nourishing and amazing. And frankincense is a resin. So the general rule with resins and trees is that's their healing system. So when you get a resin on your skin, it also has healing properties. It's very rejuvenating, really beautiful oil. And then the other oils that are in this are sea buckthorn, which is major for carotene. Like that's what creates most of this color. Rosehip, also lots of color. And then pomegranate, which has a really interesting fatty acid profile that is really amazing on your skin. So as you can see, I'll show you the color of this. So it's a very small dropper. So you just take any moisturizer that you have and you drop 2 drops right into it. So I'll just combine this with with the, I usually put the cream on first and then, so this is like a white, this is our orange blossom, so it's really white. So I'll show you what it turns into on your hand. I'm putting it on top of my hand, but I usually put it on the inside of your hand. So this is what you get, this is color. And then you can just put it on and it just smells so good. It just smells like nourishing. My friends, when I test marketed it with my friends, my one friend kept calling it the compost oil because it's so nourishing. It feels so nourishing. It smells nourishing. Everything about it is nourishing. And since we've sold this product, I have seen so many people come in with really amazing results. Like I'll bump into them somewhere and their face looks so healthy and radiant. And then they'll say, oh, hey, I got that Carotene Glow. I'm loving it. And I'm realizing like, wow, it really performs. It's a great performer. So yeah, Carotene Glow Antioxidant Booster. I'm all about the carotenes, as most of you know, and I'm all about the CO2. So this product has all the things I'm obsessed with right now. And I love it, and I think you will too. Any questions, just comment on the video. Thanks.